Hey Rocket, did you do this? Did you do that? Did you eat my purse? Rocket?
What'd you do, Clutch? Huh? What's wrong with Mom's tea? Huh? What'd you do?
Who's got to
Do you want to tell me what this is? Were you so bad today? What happened to this remote? Do you want to tell me what happened?
Good morning. Good morning, kitten.
What are you doing to the duck? Be nice to the duck.
I think she's stuck.
Boomer got into the tinsel again. Watch. Boomer, did you do this? Oh, he's not going to do it. Boomer, did you do this?
Jack.
Can you look at me? You're not even going to look at me? Did you eat this? You can't avoid eye contact forever.
Coda, what have you done?
Who did this?
Oh my God, who made this mess?
Okay, so here I am. I am home, checking to see what's going on around here. There's a mess everywhere. Oh, look at all this mess.
Coming home for dinner. Mess everywhere. Avery, can you tell me who made this mess? Avery, come here. Come here. Avery, can you tell me who made this mess?
What did you do? Bradley, what did you do? Huh? What did you do in here?
Oh, it looks like somebody got into the trash. Who could it be? Who could it be? Did you do this? Did you do this?
Did you do this? Maddie, look at me. Did you do... No, you didn't do this. Did you do this, Maddie? No, you didn't do this, Maddie. No. No. You didn't do this, Maddie.
Home to this little guy hanging out. For some reason, he won't make eye contact with me. And that's when I realized he had gotten into his own bed today.
I got that.
You did?
Yeah, I saw that snot come out.
Bless you.
What did you do? I take a nap and you destroy the couch?
What is that? Give me. Let go. Let go. Kai, let go. Where'd you get this?
Who chewed the paintbrush? Shelby, did you chew this? Riley? Did you chew that? Is that you? Riley.
You ready to eat?
Pancake mix. Hey, did you do this? Did you do this? Was it you?
Alright, so this guy, Winston, chewed a hole in my cover, and now he's got his head stuck in it. Yep. Oh, Winston.
Whoa! Look at that pretty. Oh! Come on. There's no snot on it. Just.
I think it is down.
Dave.
Put your head down there.
Good boy.